Hi friends, I'm Miss Jasmine and welcome to Little Hands Big Snacks. Today we're making ants on a log and here's what we need. Celery sticks, a spread, I'm going to use peanut butter, and then some little tiny treats that we're going to use as ants. First, we spread the filling, nice and smooth. So we're going to take our peanut butter and we're going to put it right here on our celery. A little bit more. And you want to make sure that you spread it all on there. There we go. Oh goodness, that looks good. All right, we're going to set that right there. And now we're going to look at our toppings. So we have some raisins, some milk chocolate chips, and some marshmallows. Picking up small foods builds strong fingers, and that's called fine motor skills. So pick whatever you want to use for your ants. I'm going to let's use some chocolate chips. And while we put our ants, let's count them. We have 1 ant, 2 ants, 3 ants, 4 ants, and now 5 ants. How many ants can you fit on your log? Thank you for cooking with me today. See you next time on Little Hands Big Snacks.